Kasi sabi ko nga, kagaya ng lagi kong sinasabi sa mga core leaders natin, tayo naman lahat ay mga tamang, kumbaga sa punla, tayo naman ay mga tamang buto. Nagkakataon lang, lagi tayong bumabagsak sa asfalto. Hindi tayo nakakatagpo ng matabang lupa. Now this time around, nakakita tayo ng maganda-ganda at matinding company. So tamang lupa ito para sa atin ng mga tamang buto or tamang punla. Sigurado magkakaroon tayo rito ng magandang resulta. So I will give you guys 4 key factor kung bakit si Solong tatagal. Okay? Yun lang. Number 1 na key factor natin rito, uunahin ko na, yung nasa likod ng company, which is si Mr. Richard Ren, or kilala sa Chinese name niya as Ren Chong. His nationality is Australian, Chinese, and Singaporean. Alright, now, anong meron kay Ren Chong or sa executive director natin? Hindi siya kayang white screen. Okay. Ang meron po kay Ren Chong is that 15 years na po siya in global finance and the Solong executive director. Why 15 years? Kasi tignan nyo pa, HSBC branch manager siya ng Chengdu, as well as he is being awarded as Asia's best banker. So for the past 1 decade, sabihin natin almost 2 decades na po, puro numero ang nilalaro ng CEO natin. Di ba? So, credibility-wise, napakaganda ng reputasyon ng tao na to. Di mo matatawaran. Alright? Now, our company also is registered in Singapore. He has his own villa inside Singapore. Okay? Now, isa lang yan. Pangalawa, we are a layer 1 blockchain company. The company, which is L Long Chain, way back started March pa po 2024 up to this present. So roughly around 16 months old company. Ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya, buo na yung sistema niya, hindi katulad sa ibang crypto company na ang roadmap maging blockchain, maging ganito. Ito hindi. Layer 1 blockchain, tapos na po siya. Okay? From March up to present. Ano-ano na ang mga partners na meron ang ating layer 1 blockchain. Simplihan ko na lang. Makikita nyo in the middle part yung Tunverse AI Gaming, the Nvidia, which is the largest artificial intelligence company, and the Google Cloud, decentralized storage. So ito po take note nyo lang po ito. Compared sa ibang layer 1 blockchain company like Ethereum, Binance, Solana, XRP, name it. Our strength is that we have the largest cloud storage. That's why we are in partner with Google Cloud. Ulitin ko ano to? Okay, uulitin ko mga partner.
Recording in
Ang
progress.
pinaka-strength ng layer 1 blockchain na si Solong, which is our company, is that we have the largest cloud storage. Okay po? Decentralized storage. Kaya naman yung mga company, umuupa yan ng, kumbaga sa layman's term, tayo ang may pinakamalaking warehouse sa buong mundo. So ikaw ngayon, kung kinakailangan mo ng warehouse, wala kang ibang pupuntahan. Umupa ka ng warehouse sa atin. Okay? Sa company natin. Ganun lang kasimple. Now, ang target natin rito is AI gaming, which is the millennials. Napaka-strong ng connection natin in terms of artificial intelligence. Right? So, sa mga nagtatanong bakit Solong ang name ng company, alright. Ang developer ng Solana is just exactly the same, the developer ng L Long Chain. So combination po yan, yung Solong is a combination ng name ng Solana and L Long Chain. So Solong. Okay po. Nakakadalawa na tayo Okay? Reputation ng may-ari, that's number 1. Second, naka-layer 1 blockchain. Ang pinapakita ko sa inyo, stability ng company. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa lahat ng event na ginawa ng Solong, no? Solong major event, highlight ko ito. Yung nangyaring event nung November, which is the BC Horizons co-hosted by Binance. So tayo po yan. Kung ikaw hindi ka matatag na kumpanya as layer 1 blockchain, hindi ka papansinin ng number 1 exchanger on the planet right now na si Binance. And take note, later on, ipapakita rin namin sa inyo na si Binance itself, ina-advertise po tayo sa exchanger mismo ni Binance. Okay? Tandaan nyo yan. So, mamaya na tong product. Yung pangatlo muna. Okay, hindi. Nasa pangalawa pa rin tayo. As a layer 1 blockchain, ladies and gentlemen, beat this one. We are just a 16 months old layer 1 blockchain and still we have 30 million plus different wallet addresses on the globe right now. Actually, last month pa to present sa akin. But right now, the present numbers is that doble na po ito. Nasa 60 million plus different wallet addresses. So tignan nyo po compared to Binance Chain has 150 million plus different users or wallet addresses. Pero tayo, last month lang, we already have 30 million plus, which is 20% na nang naabot ng Binance ang meron tayo na community. O, di ba? Ganun katindi. Now, pangatlo. Ito pangatlo. Pangatlo ay ang kaya kong ipagmalaki sa inyo. We have this one. Okay? Ito. The virtual Visa card. Okay? Ito pong Visa card natin, sino yung nasa likod ng Visa card or sino yung provider ng Visa card natin? Itong nasa likod ng Visa card natin is that si Aspire po siya. Take note nyo, Aspire. So, ang nasa likod naman na bangko ni Aspire is the DBS Bank, which is the largest bank in Singapore. And DBS Bank, ladies and gentlemen, is also the government bank in Singapore. So, tignan nyo to Kung ikaw hindi ka matinong owner ng Solong, bakit mo i-register under your name, Mr. Richard Ren or Renchong, na-registered niya ang company niya sa Singapore under his name, Solong, no? Tapos, nilink mo pa yung crypto Visa card sa largest bank in Singapore na government bank. Diba? Dito pa lang makikita mo how legitimate the company. Pang-apat. Okay, pang-apat. Punta na tayo sa product. Ito po. Ito kaya ko talaga to ipagmalaki. Kung yung mga company nga, pera-pera lang ang labanan, sumasabog. Ito pa kaya may product. Take note, ladies and gentlemen, Solong is the system software provider ni Realme, ni Vivo, at saka ni Honor. Okay? And hindi lang po ito yung product natin, nakikita nyo, L-Fold, no? Cellphone, hindi po siya usual na cellphone. These are super nodes and mining machine. Okay? So ano bang ibig sabihin ng node na yan, mentor? Kasi first time lang namin dito sa ganitong sistema ng mga blockchain, cryptocurrency. Okay. When we say node, ang node po ay verifier yan ng lahat ng transaction sa crypto industry. Now, kumbaga sa bangko meron tayong tinatawag na teller. Si teller ang nagbe-verify ng mga transaction kapag gagawa ka na magka-cash in ka or magka-cash out ka or di naman kaya magta-transfer ka ng fund from your bank to another bank account. Okay? May teller. Yung teller ang nagbe-verify ng kada transaction. Sa crypto industry or sa blockchain industry, may tinatawag tayong node. Si node ang nagbe-verify ng every single transactions. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng blockchain? It is a public ledger that is immutable. You cannot alter any transaction under the blockchain. Alright? Hindi mo siya kayang i-hack, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-shutdown. That's the layman's term ng isang layer 1 blockchain. Now, moving forward, the idea is very simple. Since tayo lang din naman ang gumagawa or nagpo-provide ng system software kay Realme, kay Vivo, kay Honor, ang ginawa ng ating executive director, nagpa-manufacture siya ngayon ng sarili niyang cellphone. And inside this phone, ginawa niya po itong supernode and mining machine. And on top of that, binuilt-in niya po yung sarili niyang blockchain inside these gadgets. Okay, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yan live. Right? Now, apat na. Okay, apat ang pinakita ko sa inyo. Yan lang, apat na yan, solve ka na dapat yan. When it comes sa stability ng company. Ano-ano ba yung mga layer 1 blockchain company na hanggang ngayon buhay pa? Pwede si Ethereum. Layer 1 blockchain yan. Binance, layer 1 blockchain company din yan. Solana, XRP, di ba? Ganon din si Solong, layer 1 blockchain din po tayo. Di ba? So, moving forward, ito magpi-play ako ng video. Sana yung video dito. So, ito. Okay, ito i-play ko muna itong video na to, no. Alright. So, okay. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung Solong highlights. Nakakapaganyan ka ba? Ano ako, nag-trace ako dito.
자체가 무슨 내가
Okay. So moving forward na po tayo, no. Sabi rito, extraordinary begins here. Solong Lux. Alright, so this one, makikita nyo nasa screen na natin. 1 terabyte po ito, the Lux L Fold. ang memory nito, kung ikukumpara natin to sa ibang Android device, pag 1 tera ka, ang amount nito nasa 400,000 pesos na. Kasi may nakausap kami, agent ng agent ng cellphone company. Ang price nito, ma'am, yung L Fold, yung one of our luxury gadget, nasa 400,000. Eh dito sa atin, 270,000 lang or $4,500. And then you'll get a rebates of 1% daily, which is $45 daily. So later on, i-explain ko how it works and how is it going to work, the 1% daily rebates. All right? So moving forward, eto siya. All right. Anyway, skip ko na muna yan. Okay, may mga upcoming pa tayong mga products, ladies and gentlemen. Mga upcoming products natin are ito, yung Smart Band Watch. So, walang panama rito yung Rolex. Kasi si Rolex, pwede mo lang isang la. Pero ito, the moment na bumili ka ng Smart Band Watch natin, nagwa 1% ka daily. O, di ba? From the total price na nabili mo, yung Smart Band Watch mo. And we also have these smart glasses. So nakaka-excite yung smart glasses na to. Wala pa man, hindi pa man siya niro-roll out sa market, but I am very excited. Kasi ini-imagine ko pa lang, ito imagination ko lang naman to sa smart glasses natin. Alam mo yung pag sinuot mo siya, tapos may nilalatagan ka, kita mo yung laman ng bag ng nilalatagan mo. So makikita mo kung may laman ba yung pera, wala. So yung smart glasses na yan. And the other one is the smart massage chair. So, kita mo nagpapamasahe ka. Upo ka lang sa smart massage chair. And then you'll get profit 1% rebates daily. O, di ba? Yun ang maganda. And then the other one is the high performance miner. Yan na po yung existing na ng mga products natin right now. And the L-Long blockchain. Now, look, ladies and gentlemen, for the records, ladies and gentlemen, if we are going to take a look on the direction of the company is not focusing on gaining profit. The company is literally focusing on building products for people to use, whether it is tangible or intangible products. And these products are the most impactful thing on the planet right now. Ito yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa company. That's why I work it out. Naka-layer 1 blockchain siya. Unstoppable siya. Ikaw na lang ang kulang. Alright? Simple as that. Now, eto na siya. Sa compensation plan na tayo. I am already done with the profiling of the company and the product. Okay. Sabi rito, average daily yield is 1% locked in for 365 days or 365%. But honestly speaking, hindi lang naman talaga to 1% daily because of the power of compounding. Kasi ang power of compounding natin, minimum $50 lang, and then every 7 days, pwede mong i-hit yung compound button. And then once you hit the compound button, according sa computation na pinagpuyatan ko, simula pa kagabi, no? Inumaga na ako ng tulog. Yung $100 mo in 36 months time frame could become 34,112 times the capital. Ibig sabihin, yung $100 mo kung walang galawan, i-compound mo siya for the next 36 months could become your retirement pay, which is amounting to 191 million pesos after 36 months. So anong ginawa ko doon sa prenesentahan ko kanina? Nilabas ko yung cheque, no? Sinulatan ko 191 million. Para sa iyo na to. Ang date is 2028. Same date today. Sabi ko, bigyan mo ako ng 6,000 pesos. Ito yung retirement pay mo. So, di ba? Ganun lang kasimple. Now, moving forward, balikan natin ngayon yung product. Ito po yung product natin. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, in front of your screen, ladies and gentlemen, meron tayo dyan $500 worth of phone, merong $1,500, merong $3,000 worth of phone. Okay, Now, halimbawa, bumili ka ng worth $500 na phone. Itong $500 na phone, hindi po yan agad-agad magwa 1% rebates. Anong gagawin mo? Magmamining muna yung cellphone for the next 53 days. Kinakailangan ma-accumulate mo yung 1,800 ASOLG na required para ma-activate mo yung 1% niya daily. Halimbawa, bumili ka ng $500 worth phone. Pagka-activate mo niyaan, magmamining na po siya kaagad. Now, mag-aantay ka ng 53 days hanggang sa ma-accumulate mo yung 1,800 na ASOLG. Pag na-accumulate mo na yan, lalabas dyan yung burn button. I-burn mo siya ngayon. Pag na-burn mo na siya, lalabas agad-agad yung activate button. I-activate mo na rin siya at the same time. Doon lang mag-uumpisa na kumita yung $500 worth of phone mo, 1% daily rebates. Ibig sabihin, after 53 days, you are now going to start earning $5 daily. Okay? Paano kung gusto mong pabilisin yung pagmamining niya? Simple lang. Pwede kang mag-top up ng tinatawag nating computing power input or CPI. It's up to you kung magkano yung gusto mong i-top up. Halimbawa, $500 worth of phone, magta-top up ka ng $500 din na computing power input. In layman's term, para po siyang staking. Okay? Now, kapag nag-top up ka ng worth 500, madodoble yung hash rate niya or yung power niya sa pagmamining. Dahil dinoble mo yung hash rate niya or yung power sa pagmamining, yung 53 days na yun, mahahati sa dalawa. Madi-divide into 2 na siya. No? So, instead na mag-antay ka ng 53 days, 26 or 27 days ka na lang mag-aantay. Kasi dinoble mo nga yung power niya eh. Pero yung tinap up mo na $500, automatic on that day ng activation, nagwa 1% na kagad yung $500 mo kasi naka-staking siya. Okay? Ngayon, pag nag-activate na yung CPI ng cellphone mo, mabubuo mo dyan yung $1,000 worth of CPI, which is ang daily 1% noon at total of $10 daily. Di ba? Ganun lang kasimple. Alright. So tapos na ako sa product. At kung paano nag-earn yung product. Punta na tayo sa totoong kitaan. Okay? Right. Okay. Okay, so moving forward, okay, i-adjust ko lang yung ano ko, yung mag-share screen ako sa kabila. I will be using my phone during this presentation. Partida. Kita naman yata sa lahat, no, yung screen ko. Alright. Okay, now, moving forward, dito na tayo sa ating compensation plan. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, ito may papakita ako sa inyo. Uulitin ko ulit ha. Ito po, punta natin itong 1% daily. Ayan, kasi ito, nasuzoom-zoom ko siya. Okay, yung 1% daily natin, actually, uulitin ko ulit, hindi lang siya 365% in 36 months. Okay? Aabot siya ng 3,100% every year or annually. How? Ito po, papakita ko sa inyo. Tignan nyo to. Meron ako rito ang pinagpuyatang kagabi. Shinare ko sa ating mga miyembro. Andito sa baba. Ito. I-share ko lang sa inyo ah. Ayan o. Okay. Ayan. So mapapansin nyo, dito, ayan. Sinum ko na to ah. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang computation dyan is just $100. Yung $100 na yan, ladies and gentlemen, ang minimum compounding natin, ang minimum compounding is just $50. So ibig sabihin, kung naglagay ka ng $100, it will take 50 days before ka makapag-compound. And ang compounding natin is every 7 days. Now, look, kinumpute ko yan for the next 365 days. In total of 12 months, ang magiging capital mo kung hindi ka magwi-withdraw for just $100, after 12 months, it will goes up to 31 times yung capital. Which is, to be exact, $3,168 na po siya. So ang gagawin mo lang rito, yung $100 mo would become your retirement pay after 36 months or 3 years. How? Di ba may $3,168 ka after 12 months, kinumpount mo, hindi ka nag-withdraw. After that, ang gagawin mo, i-compound mo ulit yung $3,000. Ito naman yung computation sa $3,000. Okay? Yung $3,000 every 7 days, magko-compound ka. Kinumpute ko po yan. Mula week 1 hanggang sa ika-365 days. Ayan, makikita nyo. Oh, baliktad nga lang. Okay. Hanggang sa ika-365 days niya, baliktad. Punta ako dito sa gallery. Okay. Okay. Ito po, kung makikita nyo sa screen. Makikita nyo dyan, ito. After ulit ng ika-12 months or 24 months. Okay? Ang mangyayari dyan, 33 times ang itinaas or na-compound siya ng 33 times yung capital mo na doble ng 33 times. Kaya naman ang total amount ng $3,000 mo after 12 months, $100,740 na po siya. Okay po. Ang gagawin mo na naman dito, i-take out mo lang yung $740. Yung buong $100,000, i-gamble mo ulit for the next 12 months. Alam mo kung magkano ang kalalabasan? Ito siya. Ayan o. Yung $100,000, $100,000 lang po ito Yung $100,000 mo, after 12 months ulit, ika-36 months. Okay, ito, ika-36 months i-zoom ko. Ayan. Ika-36 months, ladies and gentlemen, yung $100 mo after 36 months, kinumpute ko yan. Kompleto yan. Yung 100,000 mo times 34 naman po siya. Okay po. Yung 100,000 mo will become $3,411,220. I-times mo yan sa 56 in peso. Magkano? That is 191 million pesos. In 36 months, yung $100 or 6,000 pesos mo will become your retirement pay. You have your 191 million pesos. That is 34,112 times the capital, yung 6,000 pesos mo. Okay po. Ang tanong dito, itong mga tanungan rito, mentor, paano tayo nakakasiguro na after 36 months, buhay pa yung company? Diba? Paano tayo nakakasiguro? Okay. Sorry we have some visitors coming out on other company. So, pasintabi. Guys, this is a Tagalog presentation. All right. So, pasensya muna. We can do English presentation soon. Or tomorrow I can do it. No problem. But for now, let me do it by our native language, the Tagalog one. Right? Now, tandaan nyo po, ang tanungan lang naman rito, sir, sige, assuming, kaya kong mawala yung 6,000 pesos. Paniniwala ako sa'yo. Paniniwala ako sa'yo. Ano ka nakakasiguro na after 36 months, buhay pa yung kumpanya? Okay. Simplihan na lang natin. Balikan natin yung profiling ng company. I-set aside na natin yung owner ng company, i-set aside na natin yung crypto Visa card, i-set aside natin yung product. Punta na lang tayo. Simplihan ko na lang. Punta tayo sa layer 1 blockchain. Okay. Solong, again, is a layer 1 blockchain which is being launched last March 2024. Now, ano-ano na ba ang mga layer 1 blockchain company na hanggang ngayon buhay pa, na hanggang ngayon nandiyan pa rin? Papangalanan ko ulit. Layer 1 blockchain is still there. Ethereum. Si Binance, layer 1 blockchain yan, nandiyan pa rin. XRP, layer 1 blockchain, nandiyan pa rin. Solana, nandiyan pa rin. Solong. Sigurado ako. After 3 to 5 years, nandiyan pa rin yan. Diba? Nandoon yung what if. Diba? What if. Totoo. Na after 3 or 5 years or 10 years, nandiyan pa si Solong. I-weigh mo lang naman yan eh. Risk versus reward. May tinatawag tayong calculated risk. Kaya mo bang mawala yung 6,000 pesos? Kung yes, anong reward? Ang reward mo dyan, this $100 or 6,000 pesos mo could become your retirement pay in 3 years time from now. 190 million is not a joke. No? Hindi yan ordinaryong retirement pay ng isang government employee. No? Ang laking bagay yan. Pag nagkatotoo yan, di ba? Pero magkakaalaman yan 3 years from now. Di ba? Hindi ko sinasabing sigurado ko na mangyayari yan. Pero ang laki ng possibility. As layer 1 blockchain, Ethereum blockchain still there, Binance is still there. Solana is still there. Solong will definitely still there after 3 years. Yan yung kaya kong ipagmalaki sa inyo. Now, pinakitaan ko kayo. May ipapakita pa ako sa inyo. Ito, para lang to sa mga tamad. Para lang to sa mga taong ayaw mag-recruit. Para to sa mga taong sir, gusto ko maglagay dyan, yung wala akong gagawin. Ayaw ko mag-recruit. O, ito yung para sa inyo. 3 years. Antayin mo. Di ba? Para to sa mga taong masasama ang ugali. Yung walang mga kaibigan. Yung walang ma-recruit. Masama ang ugali mo pag wala kang kaibigan. Wala kang ma-recruit. Di ba? So, yan siya. Okay, now, moving forward. Punta na tayo sa leadership bonus. Ito para naman to sa mga builder. If you are a builder, this is the perfect company for you. Why? Look, ang ganda po ng compensation plan natin rito. For you to get the leadership bonus, kinakailangan mo talaga mag-start with a minimum of $300. Why? Kasi pag minimum $300, lahat ng volume sales mo sa ilalim, whatever pa man ang daily income or profit nila dyan, 2% goes to you. Now, all we have to do is to make a duplication by 2 every week. $100 lang. Ulitin ko all we have to do is to make a duplication power of 2 every week, at least $100 minimum, because that $100 could become their retirement pay. In the next 36 months, it will become $3.4 million. All they have to do is to do the compounding. Now, tignan mo po dalawang team lang ang bubuin mo. Let's do the math. Tignan mo papakitaan ko kayo ng computation. Halimbawa, duplication of 2 tayo. 1 week, you get 2. After a week, your 2 will get 2 times 2. 2 weeks na. Times 2, 3 weeks. Times 2, 4 weeks. 5 weeks, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 weeks, ladies and gentlemen, you have 65,536 members under your organization, assuming they put minimum $100. So times $100, your total group sales volume, ladies and gentlemen, is $6.5 million. Just the power of 2 directs, duplication by 2. So this kind of sales or group sales volume is not a joke. Kasi isipin mo kung $300 ka lang and the rest of these people, they put only $100 because they want a retirement pay after 36 months. They will get how much? $3.4 million. Okay? After 36 months, all they have to do is to compound their $100. Every 7 days, minimum $50. Okay. Assuming times 0.01, the daily profit of your volume sales is $65,536. Your account is $300. So 2% of your daily group sales volume profit nila, 2% goes to you. So times 0.02%. You are going to earn $1,310 every day. Magkano yan in peso? That's times 56, you are going to earn 73,400 pesos daily. Times ko sa 30 days, you are going to earn 2.2 million pesos every month. Hindi lang yan. Okay, hindi lang yan. Kasi bakit? You can upgrade your account. All you have to do is to upgrade your account. If you have that much volume sales, don't waste your time. Just upgrade your account into S5. How? All you have to do is to top up from $300, maglagay ka ng $3,750. Then you are going to enjoy 17% from your daily group sales volume. Assuming all of your downlines are just $100. You are the only person who top up with $3,750. And your rank now is S5. S5 rank. Now, let's compute your daily earning. Your daily group sales volume profit is $65,563 times 0.17%, assuming you are the only person on your organization that nag-top up $3,750. Ikaw ngayon, kumikita ka ng $11,145. Times 56 in peso, you are earning 624,000 pesos every day. Times 30 days, you can earn as much as 18.7 million pesos every month. And this is just 4 months, 16 weeks. 16 weeks of grinding. Just give yourself a break. This can become our prime in this industry. I can tell you that. No? Not only that, if you want to go more, since dalawa ang direct mo, kapag meron ka na dyan sa ilalim mo, meron ka ng dalawang S5 sa isang leg, and meron na ring S5 sa kabilang leg. It doesn't matter kung pang ilang level mo yan. Kasi infinity level deep po tayo. All you have to do is mag-top up ka from 3,700, gawin mong $5,400 yung account mo, and then mag-rank up ka na, 21% ka na. For you to become S7, kinakailangan lang meron kang dalawang S6. That's why you only need to build 2 different group. Okay, dalawa lang. Pag S10 ka na, may enjoy mo yung 39% from the total group sales volume. Paano pag S10 ka na? Pag S10 ka na at ang kinikita mo, no? Sabihin na natin, balikan natin, 65,563. Yan yung daily profit ng grupo mo. I-times natin yan sa 0.39%. Kumikita ka ng 25,569. Times ko sa 56, kumikita ka po ng 1.4 million every day. Times 30 days, you can earn as much as 42.9 million pesos every month. Every month. This is not a joke. Di ba? Ang ganda ng opportunity natin rito. So, tapos na ako mag-compensation plan. I hope na kita nyo yung mga nakita ko sa company. And is there any question? Kung may mga tanong po kayo, pwede kayong magtanong. Kaya kong magtanong, mag-entertain tayo ng mga katanungan. Okay? Ngayon, i-check ko lang. I hope our special guest, which is Mr. Richard Ren, our Executive Director and CEO of Solong, I hope he's already on the Zoom right now. Can we open or unmute? Let's call on first our country manager, Mr. Bright Adam. Are you there, boss? Our grant upline.
Who's in? Okay.
All right.
Sir, sir.
I would like now to call on our country manager. All right. I will give the floor now to our country manager, Mr. Bright Adam. By the way, guys, Mr. Bright Adam is not a usual network builder. He is diplomat and an ambassador of United Nations and Ghana, Africa. And he is also my direct upline. And I'm very much glad and I'm very blessed to have this guy. Let's call on first.
Hi, Gene. Hi, Gene.
Executive director is there already.
Sir.
So let's call on Mr. Bright Adam first, so that
Okay,
Mr. Bright
okay.
Adam, our country manager, will introduce our CEO. So Mr. Bright
Thank you.
Adam, please take the floor now.
Okay. Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you, Chris and Jen, every day for showing up and your dedication and the passion that you're using to lead this community. Guys, today is the day. Today is a special day, and we have in our midst our honorable CEO, Mr. Richard. Guys, I'm not going to say much. You all know me. We have talked a lot during my stay over here. So I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to give the floor to Mr. Richard so that he shares with us his vision and the mission for Solong. So Mr. Rod, if you're on, kindly take over, sir.
Yes, please. Good evening, Philippines. Can you guys hear me?
If you can hear Mr. Richard, please drop a fire emoji in the comment section. Guys, let's have some reaction in the comment section, please, for Mr. Richard to know, our CEO to know that we have his full attention, guys.
That's good. I assume that everyone can hear me. So thank you, Bright. Thanks for the introduction. Thanks, Gene, for the introduction of the business. I think you've done pretty much my job. I don't have to talk much now. So it's almost 11 o'clock in Australia. My name is Richard. My name is Richard, and I'm actually in Australia right now. So I grew up in Australia. I've been educated here, and I had my whole sort of my professional careers in Australia and Asia and Singapore, Hong Kong, China, the whole Asia areas. I've been in the crypto business for about 7, 8 years after quitting my professional banking jobs. This business that Solong, I think Gene talks a lot about the structures, the backgrounds, and also the mechanism and also the models, the daily returns and everything. So I guess the reason I'm here, I want to share the background story of how we had these projects. So this project in the beginning, we were thinking of, was me and my business partners, and also he's in Australia, and we were thinking of, initially that was a year and 4 months ago, that we want to have a, deeping projects. So we launched on the market. We had our first meetings, offline meetings. We invited about 500 people. Eventually, there's only 17 people attend. So there was only 17 people attend, but we pay for 100 people, and we have to get, waitress and security guys and our relatives and come to the meeting to make up the seats. So that was like a year, almost just a year ago. But now, if you look at the business, what do we build up? So we have over 250,000 users. I mean, real users have 250,000 users around the globe. So we covers around 37 countries. Our main markets, first of all, China, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and also, Brian Ed is from, he's from Ghana. He helped us build up such a good, tremendous business in Africa. Tremendous business in Africa. We got business in Nigeria, South Africa, Lesotho, Zimbabwe, Ghana, Egypt. We got business in Dubai. We got business in Germany, Belgium, Australia, New Zealand. Also, we have in Canada and Brazil as well. So we're expanding into Brazil market. I actually just had a meeting with Brett today. He was talking about how fantastic the community has been in Philippines because he's been working tirelessly in Philippines for the last almost a month. Like I think he ditched his family. I'm pretty sure he probably found a Philippine wife or girlfriend at least in Philippines. I really doubt it. He's setting up a family in Philippines because he doesn't seem like he want to go back to Africa. But he's been telling me how good the market has been. How the hospitality you guys been providing to him, and he was so impressed. He was so impressed. And his estimation was the Philippine market is going to be even bigger than the African markets. So, Philippine market for me is sort of unknown for me, to be honest. I do have a lot of friends in Philippines. They always come to me and say, look, Richard, you want to build a business in Philippines, but I always think that I have to find the right people. So within this group, I think I find the right people. And I see the volumes coming through. For the last 2 weeks, there's really been a positive volumes coming through into the pipeline into Solo. I'm pretty sure Jing already covered. We got three pillars now. We got three pillars. So we got one, which is the CPI. I think when I jumped into the meeting, Jing was covering that, the CPI model. The second one was a mobile phone, which is a Solo mobile phone with the one I'm holding. Unfortunately, I can't show it to you. The mobile phone, and the third one is a RAM. So we got three models, each of them representing different aspects and different earning potentials for leaders. So I highly encourage every single one of you try to understand three of them in detail and how and understand how they're gonna benefit your team and your community. But one thing I can guarantee, this project is real. It's not like the other 369, being in the market for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. We've already in the market for a year and 2 months already. So we're not a typical multi-level marketing project. So we are sort of, hybrid crypto multi-level marketing, but also we have physical products as well. So I actually said to Brian, I want to invite some of the leaders come to Vietnam. So I'm actually going to Vienna in 1 week's time. I can't pronounce the name. Either in Da Nang or the one of these tropical beachside cities, and I'm inviting some of the leaders in this group coming to Vietnam. So we're launching multiple products so far. So we also have a TV box coming up. We also have a play to earn. So one of the top play to earn, which I developed in terms of the Solo ecosystem, we're gonna launch in second half this year. And I think Philippine market is such a good market for play to earn. I know the Axie Infinity has been really taken off in Philippines. We have. I'm pretty sure I can guarantee you it's 100 times better than Axie Infinity. It's fun. It's good. There's good earning potentials for that. With Solo, you never get bored. You never get bored. You always get what you want. You always get what you want. So I can't wait to see face to face to meet up with in offline meetings with every single one of you. There is about 90 people in this room. I think I met about 12 in Singapore in about 3 weeks before in Singapore. So they've come to Singapore see the office, see myself, and we even though we didn't spend too much time together, but I think they have a good understanding of what kind of person I am. Yeah, so thanks, Bright. Thanks for giving me the opportunities to talk to the fantastic people in this group. As I said, I can't wait to see every single one of you in the near futures. But in the interim time, try to understand the business as much as you do. If you've got questions, don't hesitate to contact Gene, contact Brian, or even come to myself. I'll always provide the right support to every single one of you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Brian. I'll hand the mic back to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Richard. It's always a pleasure talking to you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you missed the special announcement today, there are interesting and amazing products in development in the Solon ecosystem. We have a TV box coming. Mr. Richard briefly spoke about it. Okay, we have a TV box coming where you can, actually practically watch TV and your TV box mines for you. And there is a play to earn game that is in development that is going to be launched in the next half of this year. And so in Solon, you never get bored. There's always excitement. There's always something new. There's always something productive, something that is going to earn you money. That is why like you said, I have abandoned everything back home to help this community to grow and to make money. And so it's been a pleasure to have you here, Mr. Richard. Thank you so much. This is just the first. This is just the first of many such special Zoom meetings that are about to happen with this community. Today is just one of it, and we are excited. We say thank you. At this point, Mr. Chris, if you are on, you can, unmute and have a discussion with me.
Yes.
There's something.
Anyway, yeah.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, I am not seeing a lot of excitement on the Zoom. If you're excited about tonight's meeting, about the appearance of our CEO and everything he said, I want to get some feedback from you from the comment section. How what Mr. Richard said, how it fits into your aspirations, and how you feel it's going to help you in your journey to becoming financially successful. How you feel like what has been shared tonight is going to help you. Put it down in the comment section. Let's get some reactions, guys. Chris?
Yep. All right. Some of them say yes, exciting. That's
Absolutely.
their reaction. They're fired up.
Absolutely.
Right.
If it is so long, it has to be yes, guys.
Yes. They are super excited, brother. And
oh wow, ladies
yeah.
and gentlemen, I see our special leader, Mentor Ann, on the call. Engineer Sal.
Yeah.
I see. In fact, I think I know everybody on this call. Mentor Ann, you want to share some words with us? Let's hear from you, Mentor.
Right, thanks so much for acknowledging me, our icon, Mentor
Yes.
Chris, and everybody who joined. And Jean, thank you so much. And of course, I'd like to welcome Coach Sal from Las Vegas. You there? Who just celebrated his birthday.
Yes, Coach, I'm here.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
Happy
I know
birthday,
how
Mr.
excited.
Sal.
Yeah, I know how excited you are there in US, and also Doc Bunny Acorda from Canada. We have also Molonsky from South Africa. So we have also from Netherlands here. So
Wow.
if some of you I wasn't able to recognize because we are full of people here, thank you for joining. And I'm so blessed that I was able to meet this so long in this very early time. So this is the first time I joined this kind of project. I was never been open, but because of, when you are so open-minded to learn something new, then the breakthrough will come. So I want to acknowledge, of course, our country manager, Bright, for being so persistent, understanding with all our demands. We're just so excited. Sometimes we make, because of the excitement, sometimes we cannot contain. So, but just to let you know, we are working hard. And of course, I am so honored to see our CEO, which I happen not able to attend in Singapore, but definitely want to see you. And, thank you for this breakthrough that everybody in the world is looking forward to. Finally, there's a opportunity like this, especially for Filipinos that are, many times they have been scammed by many projects. With this, I know a lot of Filipinos right now will have a life changing for the rest of their lives. This is a legacy wealth that we've been looking for. For that, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chris. And it is true what you said. If you're open-minded and you're willing to learn new things, your breakthrough will definitely come. Your breakthrough will definitely come. And for so many people on this call, so long is that breakthrough. Like I keep saying, this can be our limelight. This can be that project that definitely, makes us succeed in this industry tremendously. Mr. Chris, I know you particularly are excited about the play to end game because we've spoken about this. CEO just announced it. This, and I think that is perfect. That is perfect for
Yeah, brother.
Yeah. Imagine play games on so long and earn money, guys. There's a lot of things that are happening. We are always developing in this ecosystem. So, Chris, please take over. Thank you guys for having me.
Yeah,
Mentor
thank you
Chris,
so much.
Mentor Chris, I just want to acknowledge, naunahan mo ko, kay Brother Paulo Domingo.
Yeah.
He's a brother. And also my sister here, Joy. Why are you there? So
Yeah, Sir Paulo Domingo. By the way, Sir Bright, Paulo Domingo is the guy that I would like you to meet in Manila exclusively.
From Cebu last
From
night.
Cebu last night, brother. We talked here in Cebu last night, and then he fly out through Sir Alo, our